Seasoning pastes are not very well respected, either as a rub for grilling or a dressing for salads. And that's crazy, of course. With a little bit of care, you can make a world-class tasting paste. So today I'm going to show you how to do it, how to conserve it, and what to do with it. Let's cook. Red pepper paste is a very common ingredient in Portuguese cooking, used mainly in grilled meats and fish. And that is great on its own. But I always believed that it could be so much more than just salted roasted peppers blended together. And I developed this paste to solve that problem. I'll start by preparing all my vegetables. I'll cut the peppers. I'm using a pointy pepper, but any red pepper will work with this. Remove the white membrane and seeds inside. I will keep the skin on, even after roasting, but if you find peppers indigest, you can remove the skin. I tried a crazy method I found by putting the pepper 2 minutes in the microwave, and behold, it failed. It also cooked the pepper, so it really defeated the purpose here where I want to roast it. If you really want to remove the skin, just peel it before preparing it, or do it by roasting the pepper in the stove and removing the burned skin after. So with the peppers ready, I'll slice the onions in halves, leaving the skin on, and place them on the baking tray. I remove the stem from the chilies and cut them in half, adding them to the tray. These chilies are not particularly spicy, so if you have a very spicy chili, remove the seeds or reduce the number of chilies. I'll slice the top of the garlic, place it in an oven-safe container, add a pinch of salt, and fill with extra virgin olive oil, and close the lid. Season all the veg in the tray with salt and drizzle with olive oil. All of this go into a preheated oven at 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes or until our pepper has some nice charring and is cooked through. Almost 30 minutes in, everything looks ready. I'll check the garlic to ensure it's cooked and all good. And save this flavored olive oil to season and cook. It's liquid gold. And while everything cools down, why not have a coffee while we wait? Another beautiful summer rainy day in the UK. Get your food processor ready and add all the peppers, onion, removing the brown skin of course, the chilies. Now I'll add the salt, the sugar, fresh basil, MSG. I want the paste to have a punch of flavor. And a little lemon juice, a drizzle of olive oil, and squeeze the garlic. Oh, this is satisfying. And blend everything for a minute until a paste is formed. It does not need to be super smooth, just really well broken down. The smell on it is crazy. Store it for future use. Get any glass jar with a lid you can find at home, and with this quantity you can get around 500 grams of paste. Drop all the paste in. Don't do like me, get a bigger jar, or use a second jar. Close off the lid. Keep the paste in the fridge and it will last you up to a month easily. See this jar? I made this last week when I was finalizing the paste and it's all done. Now, what can you do with it? This is a punch of umami wherever you use it. You can marinate meats, like what I'm doing for a taste test today, grilling a couple of pork shoulder steaks, one just seasoned with salt, and the second one using our paste. You can add to some meat you are going to roast. You can use in sauces for a quick power-up. Dress your salad with it for a killer flavor. Sauce your pastas, season fish. The list goes on and on and on. And really, it's hard to think of a situation where it's not okay to use it. Our steak is now grilled, and now, time to taste. Let's start with the meat with just salt. A grilled pork shoulder. You know what it tastes like? That's what it tastes like. A little bit of render on the fat. Could have done with a bit more. There's nothing wrong with it. Perfectly fine piece of meat. Now, let's try with our paste. Looks fantastic already. A lot of more caramelization. The sugar helped to get that. All right, let's try it. First one is here. This one is right over here. It just takes all the flavors to 11. You need to try this in your home. If you don't try this, oh my God, try it. And if you want to try that right now, try this too. It's a fantastic dish. And because you never stick till the end, you miss great dishes to try. But not this time. This time, you'll see this one and see an easy stew that will blow you away. See you there. Bye.